Hello, and welcome back to our AirKeeper Dashboard video tutorial series. Hopefully you've been able to take advantage of our quick start guide and other helpful videos before making it here. If not, you can check those out in our AirKeeper Dashboard Help Center. The AirKeeper Dashboard features data from our dedicated community scientists, also known as airkeepers, using purple air sensors across North Carolina. These sensors track particulate matter 2.5 or PM 2.5 pollution. In this video, we'll show you how to explore and interact with this data on the dashboard. To get started, click Filter Data in the top left panel to open up the sidebar menu with display options. You can also click Show More in the Air Sensor legend to view your current settings and get more detail on what the map is showing. Let's say there's a purple air sensor, or maybe a few that you're feeling interested in. Maybe they're in your immediate area, or you're just feeling curious about a particular place in NC. To acquire the data, switch the default view from county summaries to individual sensors. This changes the map to show the locations of individual purple air sensors. Notice that there are a few settings at the bottom of this control panel that allow you to filter out or include certain sensors. Filter by magnitude allows you to view only sensors showing a higher air quality index. Under sensor type, make sure you are seeing active sensors. If you want to know which sensors are in our AirKeeper network, there is a selection for this as well. If you live on the edge of the state, you can include nearby out-of-state sensors by clicking the Include 20-kilometer buffer under Individual Sensors. Let's walk through an example together. Let's say I want to look at downtown Charlotte to see if there are any purple air sensors nearby and what they might be reporting. By default, the time frame is going to be set to current, and the averaging period is set to real time. Real time will display the latest data value. If you're trying to make sense of the data or download it, it's usually more helpful to choose 1 hour. The data that is underneath will become a lot smoother and easier to work with. If you're not just interested in current conditions, the dashboard also lets you view historical PM 2.5 data. To explore that, click the time frame dropdown and select Custom Time Frame. Just remember, each sensor can only show data starting from the day it was installed. Let's choose Range. Then use the calendar tools under From Date to select July 4th, 2024 at 8 p.m. and set the To date as July 5th, 2024 at 2 a.m. Click Apply. Your map will update to show the readings for your specified window of time. Notice a spike in PM 2.5 pollution from the July 4th fireworks in 2024. Over that 6-hour period, PM 2.5 levels landed in the orange to red range. Keep in mind, this doesn't mean that the full 24-hour air quality index was necessarily orange or red, but it does show how high pollution levels were spiking during that short period of time. If you want to download the data for this time frame, start by clicking on a purple air sensor on the map. A pop-up will appear showing the sensor name and ID. Scroll down to find the time series data chart. Below that chart, click the CSV link. This will download a file with the sensor's PM 2.5 data, including daily, hourly, and real-time readings, straight to your computer. Once you're done, just click the X in the corner of the pop-up to return to the map. If you'd like to get data from multiple air sensors in just one go, an easy way is to use the Create a Report feature on the AirKeeper dashboard. If you haven't yet watched our video on creating a report, you can check that out to learn more about this awesome feature. Once you've generated your report, you can make a time series chart for purple air sensors in the selected area by making sure that each one is marked green in the Include Remove options. Once the chart appears, click the CSV button at the top right to download the data. You'll see that each sensor has hourly PM 2.5 data for the time frame you have selected. Each row includes both the PM 2.5 AQI and the PM 2.5 concentration. Air quality data can get complicated, and we're here to help. Check out our Help Center and user guides on the website or send us an email anytime. Thanks for watching.